Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Our recipe today is a one-pot from scratch chicken Alfredo that's going to make you feel like you're at an Italian restaurant. Let's get started. So I'm starting out with one package, 8 ounces of baby bella mushrooms. I like to get a wet paper towel and just wipe these off to wipe the dirt off, and then I slice them. Then we're going to need 1 medium-sized diced onion. I have 2 chicken breasts that I cut into cube-sized pieces. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give that a good mix. Get your water for your pasta ready on the stove. I drizzled some olive oil, and then as soon as it boils, I'm gonna add my salt. Over medium-high heat, I preheated my skillet and I added 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. We're gonna cook our chicken until it's fully cooked. Now make sure you're using the actual pot that you want to put your final dish in, because this is our one pot that we're going to use for the Alfredo. Now after your chicken has fully cooked, go ahead and remove it and put it in a separate plate, and then we're going to start sauteing our onions and mushrooms. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and then add your onions in. We want to keep all that extra flavor that's left in the pot from the chicken. It's going to give that onions and mushrooms a really good flavor, and it's going to brown them up very well. I sprinkled about ½ a teaspoon of salt on top of my mushrooms and onions just to give them a little flavor. And towards our final sauce, we will taste it and make sure the salt is good. While our onions and mushrooms are browning, go ahead and cook your pasta as directed on the box. I'm using 1 box, 16 ounces of fettuccine noodles. So after your mushrooms and onions have browned nicely, just like this, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, or about 4 cloves of crushed garlic. Go ahead and saute that with your onions and mushrooms. Next, I'm adding 3 cups of half and half, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and ½ a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and give those a good mix. Now add your chicken back to the sauce. As soon as it starts bubbling up and boiling just like this, your cooked pasta should be ready. Go ahead and scoop it out from the pot into your other pot and mix together. Don't throw all that pasta water away. You want to reserve just a little bit, because when this starts thickening up, if you want to loosen it up a little bit, just add a little bit of pasta water and enjoy.